Hi guys, do you have an idea what Belter Revive can do for your skin? It promises improvement in skin hydration, reduces redness, and smoothens superficial lines. So how it can happen? It has hyaluronic acid or HA which attracts water, which is cross-linked, meaning it can last longer because it is more stable from enzyme degradation. And what's new compared to other HA products? It has glycerol, which is an effective humectant. So when you say effective humectant, it has better preservation of moisture. So in my personal experience, when I tried to use to my patient, I saw an immediate result, even from the skin of a 60-year-old man. And also, it's worth a try.